Hi, and welcome to this installment in our 3-minute video series where we will take you through a little bit of SSProtect email showing protections applied to Microsoft Outlook integrated messages. So on our desktop we have an Outlook client, and we'll just compose a message just like we always would. And we can include plain text or HTML with embedded images. And up here on the upper right of the ribbon, you'll see the SSProtect configuration options and settings. And right now we'll just leave it with the Protect on Send default. We'll send the item, which prompts us for our second factor token. And we acknowledge it with the software simulation, and the email is sent. So we will come to a different machine, and we will look for this email and access the message. So when we do so, we again have to enter our credentials, but it will decrypt automatically when we open it. And because the support user is in the same organization as Insights, that person can access the material. So we can reply to the message, and you'll see up here that we can change this to plain text and just go ahead and send a plain text message, but we get a warning. SSProtect is set up to provide policy default settings that warn us of behaviors that we might want to avoid, and we can change those. I'll show you that in a minute. But in this case, we might walk away and come back later and forget that we're responding to a message that was protected for a number of reasons, and this will remind us, do you really want to do this? We can override it, or we can say no, come back and protect it, and then send the message. Another nice capability is we could address a number of users and not be sure who can read it. Right now, what the software does, it'll come back and tell us this set of people aren't currently configured, and we can override that and go ahead and send, or we can say strip the users who are not authorized and go ahead and send it to the people who are, which we'll do here. You'll see that it removes the info user, and then we just send the email. The settings panel gives us these policy capabilities, and usually it's permit, deny, or confirm, meaning prompt and decide on the fly. And we can disable autosave. We can determine how you reply to or forward protected email, whether or not we can attach plain text files to protected messages, and how we deal with unauthorized recipients. This is really just the tip of the iceberg, but we provide complete end-to-end email protection of data at rest and in transit, and we're looking forward to hearing more from you about what your needs are and working with you to solve your problems. Thank you so much for your time.